Simply 2 presents The Secret of Being Best Friends. If you want to be a great best friend, then watch this video all the way to the end. I'll tell you the secret of being friends for life with your best friend. After all, the video is only 2 minutes. Let's get straight into it. 1. Be honest. Nobody likes a lying friend. No one likes someone who doesn't tell the truth, and lies usually come to the light. Friends will tell the truth to one another, even if it's hard. That's the first secret of being a great friend and becoming friends for life. 2. Be a good listener. Do you like people that don't listen to you at all? Like, when you're trying to tell them something, they just flat out ignore you? That's annoying, isn't it? So if you want to be a good friend, listen to your friend. Listen to what they are saying. Sometimes people need someone to listen to them, and a good friend will care. 3. Keep their secrets. If your friend tells you something that they want to keep private, do you go around blabbing about it? If so, then you should really stop doing that. Prove you're trustworthy. To prove you're trustworthy, you can share some of your secrets. You know you have a great friend when you can tell secrets to them and they won't tell anyone else. That's literally it. It's really easy to become friends for life. Basically, it's being honest and having a good heart. Listen to your friend, be honest, make sure they trust you. Then you've got a friend for life. If you enjoyed, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for 50 subscribers, and see you next video. Bye!